sun, and I could see all the way that gravity turns on you. And I looked up at the sky, saw the sun, and the way that gravity pulls on everyone.
Hello. Hello. I put on a beautiful shirt. Your game looks very nice. I cannot wait to see it released. Oh, very nice. What's up, my friend? Very nice. How are you doing? Can you play drum and bass music? This is not the drum and bass music. I'm playing drum and bass music. So let me show you what I have so far, so you can hear the game. It takes a while to load. Wishlist the game. Like just tap. So the player now has an animation when he wakes up. He looks around near the bonfire, and he has this text when he is near a node. You press X. I don't know how I got here. We don't have a name for this yet. And this the same for this node. I just woke up in this dungeon. So I don't know, maybe I can add a table in these rooms where you can pick up notes and write on them or something, because right now it doesn't really make sense how if other people got here and wrote notes, where do they have the paper and the ink to write them? But so far it's nice. I like the new like press X button. And now we're gonna work on the second level. The first thing I'm gonna do, I want to make like a extra sprite that's basically gonna be like how can I say like a tile that has a ladder in it. So it makes sense that you went up, right? Because right now you just teleport in this room. It doesn't really make sense how you got here. So yeah, we're gonna do that in a sprite. Environment, tileset dungeon. Okay, and let's make a new one. It's gonna be 16 by 16. Okay. Play the music again. Okay. So as I said, I want to make like a ladder tile set, so the player has some way of recognizing that he went up or not. We're gonna just take like a normal normal tile, like this one over here. Put it over here, okay. And I guess we're gonna make it like a black square in the middle. Maybe something like this. And we're gonna add some shading to it and stuff. Okay. Like this. No, actually I want this on top. And we're gonna make the other part black. Okay, that's black. Something like this. Okay. Where's the sprite for the ladder? Because maybe I can just take that straight up. Interactable. Movable. Exit ladder, I think. Yeah, there we go. And I don't know, let's just copy this piece like this. So over here. Okay. Paint this black. Okay. I think this looks okay. Let's save it. Immovable objects. Sprite, I don't know. Tile set ladder. Something like this. Okay. Let's go back to the game. Over here, sprites, movable sprites. Actually, let's go to the tile sets. Let's create a new sprite. No, not edit the image. I want to just add one, import one, okay? Assets, environment, style set, here, immovable, style set ladder, okay, there we go. Now let's make a new object for this, movable objects. Let's make it object or ladder open, something like that. Let's set the sprite. Where is it? File sets. There we go. Let's go here. Something like this. I think it looks nice. Okay. But not on this layer. Wait. Actually, it's fine on the player layer. But I need the player to not be able to walk on this. So we're gonna be doing... snap. Okay, let me grab... well, I'm gonna make a collision over here on this tile set so the player cannot actually walk on this at all. Where? Collision, okay. Snap. Okay. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Hello. How does this look? I added the like you are going up a ladder, so it makes sense. I can maybe add some more shadows or something. I don't know. I don't know. No, that's too much. I don't know. How does this look? It looks fine. How are you doing, Claudia? Okay. Is the microphone okay? Can you hear me? I'm not sure. Art skills on point? Barely, yeah. Yeah, sounds great, nice. Okay, so you go up. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Cool. I just need to make it so that the player is always on top of it. So we're going to be doing that right now. I need to create step. I'll just check another item, another thing which has this. Yeah, I think this one has it as well. Okay. This basically means like if the player's Y is larger than the, I mean, if he's behind the player, it appears in front. If it's behind, it appears behind. I don't want it to appear behind the player, never. So we're just gonna do this. So and let's just go straight up to the level 1, because I don't want to go through the animation for the first level every time I open the game. Let's see how it looks. And if you're enjoying the live stream, you can like. Okay, let's see. Oh no, it's still behind. Okay, why? Oh, I think the other one I messed it up. Wait. I think this one was the one that makes him appear behind. Yeah, behind the player, not in front of the player. I just messed it up. Okay. Yeah, that's fine now, right? Yeah, I think it looks nice now. Okay, cool. Okay, and he grabs the rock. Maybe I can put the rock in like the right corner of the room, so it's not like straight away you just see it. Okay. Grab the key. You go down. And you open the door. And you go up. Okay, I think what I want to add to this level, I want to have the rock being the left corner. Pickable items. I want to put a rock down here. Something like that. Okay. But this should be fine for the second level. I mean, it's pretty simple. You just pick up a rock, you place it. Maybe actually just remove that part and just have the player pick up a key. I don't know. I don't think it's that hard to just pick up a rock, place it here, and then pick up a key and open the door. I don't think it's insane, so maybe let's keep it like that. Okay, let's check on the third level. The second level, sorry. Okay. Let's see what we can add here. So what you have to do here, you have to click this, activate the lever, then go over here and there's another lever. And you have to click this as well. And that opens up the door. And here you have 3 coins and the cloth piece. Okay. I'm not sure I like the coins that much over here. How they are, I don't know. Maybe we can add a note or something, rather than the coins. Why don't I have the? There we go. My inspector disappeared for some reason. Okay. Okay, the coins. I want to have a message similar to the one that says press X to read the notes. I want to have a similar message that says press X when you are near these guys as well. What works? The microphone? I asked that. Ah, you're behind. Because, I mean, maybe you disconnected. Remember to like the stream if you won't like it, because that helps a lot. Oh, I forgot to add the chat in this one as well. Wait, 1 second. I like to add the chat because I always love when I stream. I watch other streams, and I can see what I'm saying. I don't know. Try saying something now. Okay. Which one was it? Will they make it work in the first room? No, in the main menu. I think it's mainly just if you are over here, it works. Let's make something similar. Let's just check it first. Thank you for donating $10. See, that's very nice. Thank you. But don't do it too much, please. It's fine. If you listen to the stream, it helps a lot. But thank you. I forgot what I wanted to do. Notes. Where was it? Oh, there we go. No, I think it's something in the player character. I'm checking to see how I'm displaying the. Oh, there you go. Okay, okay. Let's make a new thing for the levers as well. Okay. A new object. What's that? It's a kitten. Very nice. I mean, you tested if the donations worked, and hopefully they do. I don't know. Let me check. Actually, I don't know if it works properly. Wait. Oh yeah, it works. Nice. I didn't expect it to actually work. That's nice. How are you, Octi? Where's the levers? Lever door. Okay, I'm gonna add a new object to this. Let's call it all lever tutorial, something like that. Let's create a new sprite for it. Let's make it 16 by 16 as well. Apply, edit the image. Let's make it like this color with a very transparent hue, like this. Okay. Let me rename this as well as lever tutorial. Okay. Let's add this to the collision layer. Oh, those are really hard to see, but it's fine. Okay, one over there and one over here. Okay. And let's make it simple. In the draw event, the same thing. If the instance exists, all lever tutorial. So that basically means if there is an instance of this in a room, because otherwise it just crashes because it always looks for the for like a lever tutorial. If I just go right ahead and just call this code, this will always break when I don't have the text nodes mm1 and mm2. Okay, and let's say if place meeting, all player X, all player Y, with all lever tutorial. Then we want to display draw text transformed x minus 10 y plus sprite height divided by 2 plus 2. I think that's basically just how I figured out it looks the best. This is the message, the same as above. Press X. And then image angle, I'm not sure what it does, but I need to put it. So yeah. What is this? Number arguments for function got expected 6, got 4. What? This is X, Y, string, X scale. Okay, X scale and Y scale. I forgot about this. 0.2 and 0.2. Okay. Now it should be fine. Okay, let's check if it also works. Yeah, nice. And does it work for this one as well? Nice. Cool. That works. Okay. But I want to change this up a bit. I don't really like how we spawn in this room. I don't know, let's say the player spawns over here and the lever is gonna be there. I mean the ladder that gets him up is gonna be over there or over here, I don't know. Maybe over, I don't know. Maybe over here? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, and let's have the ladder door here. Where is it? I want it to be grid. Snap. Okay, and I want collision. So the player does not walk in it, in the ladder, because that's gonna be confusing. Wait. Where do I have the collisions? There's so much stuff in the project, I cannot find anything when I'm looking through it. Hey mate, hope your indie game goes well. Seems awesome from your videos and such. Thank you, man. I'm really excited about it. I haven't really posted the YouTube videos that much because I have just been brainstorming, trying to find a way to make it actually a very nice game. And I think how it's gonna shape up until June when I launch it is gonna be really awesome. I want to add like 4 more stages. Like you have a fever dream where you're in hell. You have like a sewer level, you have the starting area with all the stuff. So I'm really excited how it's gonna shape up. I'm gonna add a bunch of new monsters as well. And thank you so much for dropping by, it really means a lot. I get very chatty when someone says anything. But I cannot find the collision. I need a collision object for this and I cannot find it. And I don't remember where I put it. Oh, seems nice. Looking forward to that. Yeah, man. Thank you so much for dropping by. Let's see how it looks now. I'm planning to drop like a much larger YouTube video before I launch the game. I want to spend a lot of time on it and actually like make like a very nice video. Yeah, that could have been better, losing the search. Also, it seems like let's go Mikai. Thank you, man. How are you doing? Yeah, the thing is that it seems that when you spawn, it's gonna display it as like this, the player is gonna be on top of it, oh no, behind it until you go below, and then it's gonna remain like that. So I need to change it up so it always stays behind the player. Yeah, it's all object collision. It should be pretty simple to find it, but you know, apparently not. Okay, where was it? Okay. This is like the most time-consuming thing, just trying to find stuff that I made. There we go. Okay, and I want to have both of them. And yeah, sure, else. These are both appearing behind, right? This should work actually. Let me check. You have to remember all of the names for all of them. Yeah. Or you can just look like I am doing through the entire project every time you try to find anything. Yeah, it works nice now. Look. It's gonna show up cool from the side. And then you press X here. You go up. And you press X again, and then that opens the door. And over here I removed the coins that we had before, now it's just a piece of cloth. Maybe you want to take it, maybe not. Maybe I'm gonna add something else as well. Okay. Yeah, that works too. It works, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of shaky. I don't know if I like the fact that it's so shaky. I think like it adds another level of horror to it. Makes it seem like, I don't know. It's obviously an issue with the game, but I don't know if I should fix it or not, because I kind of like how it looks when it shakes around like that. And especially when you are being chased by the monsters, it adds something new, I think. I need some rest. How do I even get here? Okay. And we have the turkey leg. And we need something to show that we can use the turkey leg as well. You use it by pressing X, but I need something. Maybe make it shake more when the monster comes. Yeah, that's a good idea. I can add that for sure. Okay. So now you don't have the tooltips anymore. You just have. Oh, I need to press the other one before. Okay. I forgot how to play my own game. Cool. So you only get tooltips for the first time you use something, then you're gonna have to just, I guess, remember them. I'm not sure if I should just have them give tooltips all the time, like press X, press whatever you need to press. Or maybe if I should keep it like this, only the first item, the first interaction with that particular object is gonna tell you what to do. Then we go up, and we're here. Okay. Let's see what we can do to the third level. I don't think I'm gonna have a ladder here, or maybe... It seems like he just came through a corridor here. It doesn't really look like he walked through a ladder. And this is how it's portrayed here as well. There's no ladder, you just walk up. Same as over here, you don't actually go up a ladder, you just go in the front, basically. So maybe don't add the ladder over there. And I don't know if I should have the ladder sound as well. It doesn't ruin anything. It should be fine. Okay, what can we do to this level to make it better? So the player comes in, he checks out this area, he sees the note, he's like, oh, okay, cool, a note, whatever. He picks up the cloth if he wants, he stays by the bonfire, he realizes maybe he can use the bonfire to like regenerate torch levels and stuff. He picks up the turkey leg, whatever, he figures out the puzzle. I don't really know how I could make the turkey leg, because it gets put in the inventory. I don't know how I could explain to the player that he has to press Z to make it work. Oh, I am getting spawned in the previous room. Let me just go here and change this to the 3rd level. There we go. Okay. So you pick this up and you can press Z to use it. Maybe just like a small text like on top of the turkey leg that says you can press Z to eat the turkey leg or something like that, and then it disappears like after a while. I don't know. Okay. Or I don't know. Maybe we should just strap on and start making the bonfires be checkpoints, save checkpoints, which is gonna be really difficult, and we're gonna be watching a lot of YouTube. Let's see. How can I make save files? Make a checkpoint based system for my game and game maker. That's nice, Elden Ring vibes. Yeah, with the bonfires being checkpoints. That's exactly what I'm going for. How can I make a checkpoint based system for my gaming game maker too? Something else that I want to say to him, I don't know. By having the player have a place meeting with a different object. And save that in the game's directory. We will have the exe and all the rest of the stuff. Now it needs a maiden to show up randomly. Maybe in the hell part. Okay. If place meeting, I shall save checkpoint. There's a function for save checkpoint. What? No, for sure there's not. Create a script or code in object player, set the checkpoint that this will typically involve starting the player's current position and troubleshoot. Bar file text open right checkpoint text. Okay. Real file save player's x coordinates. File text right real. Also, I can just make like a file in the directory of the game, write stuff onto it, then just call that back, and it will work like checkpoints. From what I understand. Load checkpoint data. And there's like a built-in thing for this game. Create a script named load checkpoint. If files exist, checkpoint text. File text open right checkpoint. Read player's position. Y. I would also need to save like the room he's in, but that shouldn't be a problem. Handle game restart. Call the load checkpoint script at the beginning of your game or where the player needs to be respawned. In the create event of your first room or where the player respawns, load checkpoint. Okay. How do I load the checkpoint? Okay. Where did he say load checkpoint? Create a script name load checkpoint. Okay, so the script is load checkpoint, and then I just call it. Okay, so I would call this in the code where the player dies, which is where I think it's scripts, player functions. Okay, so this is basically how I'm handling right now. I just, if the light timer is basically the value of the torch the player has at any side point. If it goes below or equal to 0, we just restart the entire game, whatever, fuck it, we don't care, right? So we're gonna have to replace this with what we have over here. Maybe it works, I don't know. It seems like it should work. Let me just check if this stuff actually exists. Like file text write real. Okay. File text write real. No. Let's just see what we have in the documentation for this. Okay. With this function, you can write a number. With this function, you can write a number to the previously opened text file. Note that as the value that will be written can be a real number, all decimals will be written with a dot point as a separator. If the file already contains information, this information will be erased and the string will be written at the beginning of the file. So on the file with the text open append, you can also avoid this by using file text read in a function with the text file text the all function to loop through the contents of files you get in and then start writing. It's important to note that when writing very large number of text files, it may be translated like okay, which can be read back into GameMaker correct. I don't have that big of numbers. Okay. I don't have numbers that are that big. So I have var file, it's file text open write working directory plus high score text. For var e equals, so this is just like I'm looping through it. File text write real file text close file. And what did the ChatGPT tell me to do? Save the checkpoint data, save checkpoint, and this is the save checkpoint script. Var file text open write, file text open write. What does this do? File text open write. And the folder name, okay. This I suppose just creates a folder. Okay. This function loops on the text file will indicate the file name for writing only. If the file does not exist, it is created. If the file does not exist, it is created, returning the unique ID of the file that which should be stored in variables that's built for further actions to do with that file. Note that if the file can be created because of an illegal file name, for example, the function will return -1. If the file already exists, it is must be written and data saved. If you want to add the file, you can only have maximum of 32 files open at any one time. Okay, that's enough. We should also always close files when finished, as this writes the information and frees the memory associated with the file. Warning, this function may not work as expected to GameMaker being sandboxed. This is the section of the file system for more information. Okay. Sandboxed, because the game is sandboxed. Not sure what that means, but we're gonna find out. So var file text open write, working directory plus level text. What is the working directory? Working directory can actually return two different values depending on what you're using it for. If you're writing to a file to disk, working directory points to an area of local storage. Local of data game deal where the game there is the current. Basically, it's fine. That's what I want to write it in. Okay. So it makes sense, I guess. So let's see. Let's put it over here. I'm just messing with the stream, how everything looks. Can I pause the chat actually and just look at it? Oh, nice. So I just can just have the chat without the rest of the stuff. Cool. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, great. Okay. Wait. I want to check if everything is okay with the live and it works as expected. Okay, nice. It works. It works okay. I'm gonna take a short break and I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna leave you with the music. We are back. Okay. So let's try and do what ChatGPT said. And let's try and make a checkpoint system. Checkpoint system with bonfires. Okay. We need to find the all bonfire key. If instance exists all bonfire, because I'm gonna have levels where it doesn't. Oh, I have one for each bonfire individually, so I need to have. And I need to save it only once. I don't want to save it every time the player is in the area of a bonfire, because that will just save it constantly, continuously, forever. Maybe it gets cold just one time. Ah, okay. Let's just do it like this. If instant exists, all bonfire 1. If instance exists. Let me just make this bigger. Exists all bonfire 2. And instance exists all bonfire 3. Okay, so we have only 4 so far. Okay, actually let's just save this like this, and we'll just try it with just one bonfire. Let's say the first one in that room. Okay. And if place meeting X and Y with all bonfire 1. Save checkpoint, which I have not created yet, but I'm gonna do it now. Is that how I saved the other ones as well? No, I used save checkpoints like this, okay? Okay, let's make the script for this save checkpoint. Where are the scripts? Player functions. Let's make a new category, a new group for this. Checkpoint system. Okay, and let's make a new script over here called save checkpoint. And let's use this var file equals file text open right. Let's call it checkpoint.text. I'm not sure if text is the best thing to use here, but let's do it like this. File text right real file x file text right real file y and file text close file. Okay, so this closes the file after we save the x and the y. Okay, so we save the x and the y over here. We need another script called load checkpoint. And it's gonna be if file exists. So if we have a file created previously from the bonfire thing, we're gonna do this. It's checkpoint.text. Okay. I have the errors. Okay, it's fine. Var file equals file text open read, because this one we want to read obviously, and we want to read checkpoint.txt. Okay. And we want x to be file text read file y equals file text read real file. Okay, I don't have to specify the file which it reads. It's only okay, and it just takes the x from it, I guess. We're gonna see if it works or not. And then we want to close the file. Okay, file text close file. Okay. For example, in the create event of the first more, the player responds. Okay, so the player responds when he dies. Let me see where that is. Okay, so instead of game restart, I want to call load checkpoint. Oh, I didn't write it like this. Okay. Okay. And in the save, I also want to save the room name. How can I save the room name? How can I also save the room in which the player is? Okay. File text right. My keyboard does not work at all. File room get name, and it's gonna be okay. And when we load, we also want to put file get no want the room to be equal to is this not gonna call the code to save the checkpoint into the box? How can I make it so that it does not save the room over and over again? We'll see. For now, let's just see if this works as it is. Hopefully it does. It would be a great win. I'm not sure if it works like this or if I actually have to have the game downloaded and stuff. Let's see. Error or encountering the other room, get room, finish string file, right, all these clear out. This is the file, strings file. Ah, string, okay. String. Let's see if it works. Okay, so it didn't crash this time. Now let's see what happens when we die. Okay. And Kate's room, go to function spin around world room index, but I'm not the string room name string can refer load sequence to get index. Okay. This doesn't exist. Okay, let's just see if it works like this. It saves these files. Now let's die and see what happens. Oh! Oh, that's nice. Oh, but it doesn't reset the... Okay, so that works, but doesn't reset the torch. File, text, write real, file. I need to find what I'm using for the torch level. I think it's all torch timer or something. Or light timer. Okay, all light timer, I think. All light timer in magic scale, I think I want to save. Okay. All light timer image. And then in load, I want to load this as well. Okay, let's see if it also saves the torch level now. And actually, considering the fact that we have bonfires in only particular rooms, I mean, we would need to have a bonfire in every room for this to work. I don't know. We should either add bonfires in every room or make it so that we can also read the room number, but I don't really know how to do that. We might have to Google it or ask a question. Why does it not? Low checkpoint cannot set constant online timer to value. Image X. kill. Let's see if it works. So we have about, I don't know, half. We go here. It presumably saved. And then we die. Nice, it works. Maybe add an animation or something when we die. Like play a sequence. That's super nice. But what happens if we die in the second room? Do we just get the X and the Y from that room? Let's see. And now we die over here. What? It just works? Okay, I'm not gonna doubt it if it just works. That's awesome. That's really awesome. Where is the... load checkpoint, and I also want to play a sequence. Sequence. How do I play a sequence for fade in and one for fade out? Yeah, this is, I just want to play, how do I play a sequence? And other than that, I want to see game restart. Let's see how it looks now. So we go over here. We basically save the checkpoint over there now. We go and we die. Other than the fact we did not play anything, okay. I think I have a sequence when the monster picks you up, the one that teleports you around. Maybe he monsters teleporter. Let's see how we did it over here. Where the fuck? What the fuck is all black screen? All black screen. Okay, let's try that. Let's put it over. In the reignite over here, let's just put it over here. Let's see how it plays out now. Okay, we save it. Nice. Then we die. Okay, but I wanted to cover the UI as well, the UI elements. I need something above the UI. X, Y. There you get ID UI. I need something on top of UI. Black death. Okay. Now let's go back to the code for reignite. Let's call it. Let's make it appear on that screen. And let's change it up for that as well, for the teleporter. Let's see how it looks now. Wait, maybe the music is a little bit too loud. So we go over here, we save the game, all good, very nice. We go over here and we die, we don't know how to play the game, blah blah blah, we walk around, pull some coins, whatever, and then what happens? Specified level layer does not exist. Oh, I just made it in R-init, okay. I need to have that as well over here. I'll need to add it in every room, obviously. That screen. On top of everything other than effects. Let's save it and let's run it again. Hopefully now we'll have a nice animation playing when we die. We save the game, walk around, and then we die. Nice. That looks awesome. Wait. Wait. What I want to add now? Maybe a text for the black screen. Maybe change it, not make it the black screen for this particular one. Black screen. Could we duplicate it? Let's duplicate this as well. And now let's make it so that, where is it? Script. Oh, sequences, black screen of that, okay. What text should we put? Okay. Maybe we should add like a text that writes itself and... Actually, no, I think it's fine with the black screen for now. And we'll change it up if we need to later on. But now this is more than fine. But I want to see if it works from the start up until the end. I don't know. I'm not sure how it how it even works. This is all bonfire. Are they all just all bonfire? I think that's maybe what it is. I maybe made just only all bonfire. Give the effect to the player. Oh yeah, I think that's what it is. All bonfire. Okay. All bonfire. Okay, so that works nice. Let's just add that to everything. I need to add what? Dead screen, okay. But I'm okay, let's see how it works when we are starting from the main menu. And we die in the second level, which does not have a bonfire. But I think obviously that's gonna ruin something. It's not gonna... It's practically impossible for that to work just by on its own. So I need to see how that works. and how we're gonna be able to handle it. So basically we are getting the game saved over here, then we go over here, and now we die. Okay, so it just gives me the X and the Y from the previous room. Cool. Okay, so that obviously breaks something, so we need to save the room as well, not only the X and Y and the level of torch that we have. Let's see. Saving room states. So let's see what happens if I make the rooms persistent and I just call them. Okay. How do I save a room to one of these? Hmm. File exists again. So this is how they tell me to save this. Row name. No, this is how I will save it. File text. From get index does not exist, I think. Okay. So we have the safe checkpoint. Clear torch level. Clear position. Clear room. Okay. Clear level. Okay. Var room. File. Text street. File. Is not undefined. Let's see if it works. Okay, so we are in the first room, everything works, whatever, we save the game. Okay, cool. Then we go here and we die. We did not get an error, which is a good sign, I guess. There is no room. Get index. Index is the room's name. I don't know, let's see if this works. I highly doubt it though. Just simply its name, okay, and I'm trying to get its name, it doesn't want to go using its name, I don't understand. Okay, we're gonna ask this on the Discord for GameMaker, and maybe someone will help us. Let me find it first, the Discord. Okay, we found it. Help. And let's see. I'm trying to save a room's name in a TXT file so I can use it later on to send the player in it if he dies at that certain checkpoint. I currently have a save checkpoint. And a load checkpoint, which works fine for checking if the player's empty, and Y coordinates, and anything else. Trouble is the okay, and let's show them the code. Save check code. Over here, and I'm saving it like this. using this one like this. Let's also get the error so we can show it to them. Right. Jesus. Hey yo, thank you for donating $5, man. How are you doing? That scared me so much. Thank you. I'm trying to figure out how to make this work, and I cannot. Cannot redeclare a built-in variable. Okay. So let's just say room number. Is that an actual donation? How are you doing, man? Hello. Oh yeah. Thank you. Let me replace that. Now, does it work? Oh yeah, it works now. Looks both ways, and there we go. So this is supposed to be saved. We go to the next room. In the next room we're going to die, and it's gonna not work. And we're gonna get an error, which are going to give some guys which are smarter than us, than me, obviously, to try and fix. Okay. Fetch code that should handle the room saving and loading in the pictures, and this is error message that I get. Maybe the room exists was the problem. I don't know. Let's check it like this. Okay. No, so it's not that problem. It's just I don't understand what if this is not a if this only returns a string and online it says that the index is not an actual index like 0, 1, whatever. It's the actual name of the room. Like the index for R level 1 is R level 1. I'm saving the room number from like the other thing. Over here, I'm saving the room get name room. This gives me specified of the specified room. Room index. Okay. And what if I use asset get index with that? Var index is equal to asset get index room number. Hey man, how are you doing? How are you doing, Biggeries? You having a nice day? I'm trying to make a checkpoint save system for the game, and I don't know how to save the room because it's really fucked up. The index of the room, it says, is the actual name of the room, but the room go to, which actually takes you to the specific room, needs a number, and the index is a string. It's fucked up, but maybe it works now. So in the previous room we saved the game near the bonfire. Okay, now we are gonna die. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna get an error again. Okay, we did not die, but it doesn't work. Yeah, I just found it out right now. But now it still doesn't work, and it should work. Having a great day. Your game looks like it's coming along nicely. Yeah, I'm adding a bunch of new stuff. I need to get back I had to work with it really hard. That I don't know if that made sense, but yeah. I'm planning on adding like a couple more stages to the game and adding a lot of new stuff and a lot of new monsters, and I also am working with a friend of mine to actually make a story, like a script for the game, so it feels nicer. So we saved the whatever, the room. At least we're not getting an error, it works now, but I'm still not doing something correctly, obviously. I'm not saving the room with the bonfire, I'm saving the second room. Okay, so apparently... Is it on each? Can I play a build of it as it is now? It's in the description of the live, the demo, but it's very old and it's like, it's not a lot of stuff you can do in it. I don't think I even have the monster in the demo, I'm not sure. I don't remember. Wait. Maybe the monster is there as well. I think it's a pretty old version. I need to update it after a while. I'm gonna update it. You can check it out if you want to see how it looked like. I don't know. Can I see when I publish this? I'm not sure I can, but it's really old, man. Unfortunately, checkpoint is in a previous room, so it should save that one. Maybe it's just because it's so close to... it's the entire area, so... let's see what we can do about it. Maybe just make this smaller? So it doesn't go into... maybe it just saves the next room because it's just so much into it. Like over here. Maybe let's just do it like this. This way he's just gonna walk over there and lose the torch. It's... yeah, I think it should be fine like this. Let's see. Hopefully it should be fine. I mean... how's Goblandia coming along, man? Is it good? Are you guys making good progress, or... so? Okay, we're in. So we save the game over here. Now we die here. Hey. Oh my god. This is... yeah, this is going great, obviously. Did that guy say anything else? No. Why does it send me in the... Let's ask ChatGPT, okay? Let's give ChatGPT the good code. Okay. Okay, so this code in the save checkpoint script. Man, the heart on Coplandia needs some attention. We've got a solid implementation of a shooter game, free for all, with paid tickets and payouts. You guys, you have been flooding the Jira we made. It seems like it's going okay. Is it chaotic the same as my game is, or you guys you probably have a better direction where you want to take the game, right? Works. Let's take this. Works. And this is the code that works from the load checkpoint script. So confusing, but at least I have ChatGPT, man. It's so nice to have this thing. Looks like it was just the code to work there. I'm saying, however, the earned the link instead of using has to get issues room get indexed. Get the room index from the room name. It's asset get index, not room. That one does not exist. Read player position, read and set the current room. War room. Asset get index. Asset get index from number. If room exists from index from go to okay. This is what I have right now. The last thing you gave me, but it does not properly save the room. For example, I saved the game in level 1 and when I die in level 2 I respawn and the X and Y saved in the checkpoint from level 1 but in level 2. Hopefully he understands. I don't. Providing more context, is something this might relate to how the room data is being handled during the transition from one to when the room changes got to save. Data room may not be persist across different rooms. Okay, here's a revised approach to ensure the room data is stored and retrieved consistently. Make sure saving only the room data as a string room name. When loading checkpoint with room, go to room name, so the repetition of this. The fuck? This makes no sense, ChatGPT. This is just. Too much stuff to do. I want some kind of new map with floating island and objectives that give score when the player is near them. So kind of like not a King of the Hill, like a game mode where you have to collect points to win. Like you have like the team that gets 100 points wins. But do you guys also have like team game modes or only like 1v1s? Maybe a new game mode. I told Gob that I would add other game modes, so I might have to work on that. Yeah, it's hard to figure out new stuff. The best thing I think is just try to talk with someone that has no business with the game, but is creative and stuff, and just try to get some new ideas, right? Because if you just stay in the environment where you are talking with the people that are working on the game, like with Gop and with Scream, I think Scheme, you guys are just gonna, you know, bottleneck the ideas, you know. So someone might have a better perspective as to what, like, I would like to have something like whatever in Call of Duty or some shit like that. Like, I like to play something in Fortnite, and that maybe gives you an idea, right? Because you guys are just like in a bubble right now. I mean, that helped with my game because I was really focused on just doing what I'm doing and asking the people that I have around me that I help me with the game, and asking someone that has no business with it is really give me a clearer view as to what I have to do. A 1v1 game mode would scale the game to many different players. Yeah, that's probably like the one of the nicest features in your game, because you have like you duel people for, like, I play you for $1. It's only you and me. There's nothing else to like influence the game. That might be nice. I mean, that's how I think it would be nice. Man, is this guy gonna respond to me or what? Come on. What the fuck are you doing? Respond to me, please. Okay. So we saved the room. Not... Okay, so he says save the room like this. Not the other way around. Okay, let's see. Call of Duty has a gulag mode that makes 1v1 kind of interesting, but killing somebody once in a duel just isn't enough to make an interesting game. Yeah, because you just enter, someone just clicks your head, you lose, and that's it. You need to have something more nice. You're right. Let me think. I think the thing with the check, like gathering points, would be nice. Or you could have like I don't know, like where you enter a 1v1 duel, you have to be like the first person in a lobby to get like 16 wins, and you just cycle through the opponents. I don't know, let me show you. Like, this is the game, right? You have like I don't know, 4 people that want to play. So normally you're gonna have these to play against each other and these to play against each other, right? But what if you make them all play against each another, right? Like, you do this, then you make these 2 guys fight each other, you know? And you have like a lobby and you have like 16 rounds or something. Whatever, 16 rounds doesn't work here, I think. It doesn't work. There we go. 16 rounds, and the person that gets like, I don't know, the most duel wins gets something, yeah, like a tournament, like a blood tournament. Because that makes it like, you know, I don't only play against you, you kill me, you shoot me in the head, and that's it. And I think it would be pretty okay to make this work, like, it shouldn't be that difficult, right? Because now I play against Claudia once, I play against you, I play against the Gop, I play against that guy, you play against me, against blah, 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 and it's a little bit more fun. You have a little bit more stuff to do in the game. Let's see if we die, if it works now. It doesn't work. Jesus. Doesn't want to save the room. How do I make a state machine? If this guy gets answered before I get answered, that I'm asking an actual question, it's insane, because if you just look state machine in Game Maker 2, it's you have like a 4-minute tutorial, 22 minutes, you have all the answers. If I look how to make what I am looking for, I don't find any answers, so hopefully he answers me. I don't know. Maybe just leave this in the back for now and we can work on some other stuff. What else can I work on? But this is on top of my head now, I don't know. Damn. Okay. I think we've been live for 2 hours and 20 minutes. I think that's nice for today. We're gonna try and have some more often streams here on YouTube. But thank you for watching and dropping by, and for everybody that hang out. And I'll see you guys again hopefully soon. Because I need to watch, obviously, I need to watch a bunch of tutorials about how to make a save system with checkpoints in this game, in Game Maker 2. So I'll see you guys the next time, and hopefully I'll have it fixed by then, and we can work on some more interesting stuff. I'll see you guys in the next live that we're going to be doing.